Hello, my name is Jake and we're making Scotch eggs. To make 4 Scotch eggs, you want 6 sausages and then 4 eggs. Eggs, stuffing mix, egg yolks, and then sausage meat. Step 1 is boiling water. Put the pan on the hob, put it on highest setting. While the water's on the hob, sausages, skinning them. Take out a sausage, take a sharp knife, and you skin the sausage. And then you should get something like that. Yeah, remember, wash your hands. Yeah. You put the eggs in the boiling water. And then, Alexa, set the timer for 8 minutes. It's got to use robots. Make sure to mush up your thing because it makes it a lot easier to make. Crack in the eggs. Help the sausage meat around the egg stick with the stuffing mix. Whack it onto a bowl so you get that. Stick your finger in. And be careful because that can happen. Get your average kitchen fork and just mix. Almost like you're making scrambled eggs. You take it off the stove and add some cold water to it. It just helps it harden egg gently. Well, I say gently, hard as you can, not too hard. Like that. Then apply pressure and roll. You get it all down the centre. Then you can just peel it. Stuffing mix. You can get it from your local Aldi. Other stores are available. You get a good hand's worth of sausage meat. Squeeze it. Put it in. And then you want to wrap it. It's a bit of a nightmare, but if you do what you can with the current meat you've got, it shouldn't be too hard. This is what you need. Tray, reasonably sized depending on how many, and baking paper. Getting your sausage, well, your half Scotch egg, dipping it in the yolk. Right. Then put it as slow as you can and cover it with stuffing mix. Don't have Scotch eggs, but got all this. So, something you can do if you want, get a Scotch egg, dip it back in. And then that kind of adds a bit more niceness. And then they've grown twice the size, almost. Rinse and repeat, I guess. Something you might want to do, wash your hands. Oh. Put your oven on. Right, you want to put it on about 180. Grab your oven mitt of some sort. Get it? Pop them in the oven and close it. Then wait. I think it's about half an hour. We're just gonna check and see if it's done. Up then. Ooh, ready. 90, 100, 117. This is the final product. As you can see, product nicely cooked. Ooh, it's nice. That's how you cook a Scotch egg. Leave a like, comment, and show me how yours turned out in the comments.